Hi, I'm Derek Tano, Managing Director for World Class Programs. Our staff know it can be a real challenge to pack everything into small suitcases for such a big trip. So today our staff are going to walk you through some of their valuable tips and tricks for how to get the most out of your luggage when traveling abroad. So stick around.
Thanks, Derek. Hi, I'm Violet, the Student Outreach Director for World Class Programs. So, you're trying to pack for your trip abroad this summer? Well, here's some of my packing tips to maximize your space while keeping your bags lightweight and manageable at the same time. Come on, let's get started.
When packing your bags, it's always a good idea to have some sort of checklist prepared in advance so you can be sure to include everything you may need. We have a packing checklist that we will send each student about a month before the start of their program, but some people choose to make their own. Either way works, but a checklist of some kind is a must. Once you have the checklist made, it comes time to choose the bags you're going to bring. Most airlines allow one carry-on bag and one personal item, such as a backpack, to be included in your airfare purchase, so this is what we're going to stick with. Large checked suitcases are a big no-no. They are heavy, bulky, awkward, and will make you look like a tourist, which is not a good look. Instead, a carry-on suitcase and a comfy backpack will work just fine. Don't believe me that you can make it all fit? By the end of this video, you'll be a packing pro. Let's begin with your carry-on. Lay out all the stuff from your checklist on your bed or on the floor near your suitcase. Then we'll pack in all of the bulky items first. For this bag, you should plan on packing things you won't need to access until you've made it to the student residence and have a chance to fully unpack. Examples include most of your clothes, shoes, coats, sandals, notebooks and pens, large sums of money, outlet converters, that kind of thing. This will help relieve stress when unpacking and while on the move traveling. There's a few ways to maximize your space by packing your clothes in efficient ways. Here are a few. We recommend bringing only 7 to 10 pairs of shirts, pants, shorts, socks, and undergarments. Basically 1 week's worth of clothes. It's always a good idea to just wash the clothes and rewear them again to save space, and it lets you buy things abroad and wear them on the program. More room means more space for souvenirs. Now we move on to the backpack. This should be your grab-and-go pack that can be easily accessed while you're on the move. Here is where you should keep one change of clothes, chargers, batteries, electronic devices, passports and money, but those should go in a safe interior pouch, a good book, neck pillow, umbrella, water bottle, etc. You should also be sure to pack any medications you may need, whether they're over-the-counter or prescription, as it can often be hard to find certain medications while abroad. And for prescription medications, be sure to pack the paperwork that goes along with it. The idea with a backpack is to be lightweight and easy to carry, while also being useful and accessible on the move. You don't want to be digging in a big suitcase in the middle of a crowded train or airport. Finally, plan out the outfit that you'll wear when you're traveling, as this is often overlooked. Temperature can vary greatly on your trip, as planes and trains can all have odd and unpredictable climate conditions. We suggest an outfit that can easily be modified to fit your comfort level. Something like a light, long-sleeve shirt and some long, comfortable pants. This, combined with closed-toed shoes, should complete your travel outfit. Remember, you can always take a layer off and stuff it in the backpack if you need to.
Now, give your baggage one final check. Set your bags by your door. And get a good night's sleep for your adventure ahead. If you still have questions about packing or anything else related to your summer program journey, feel free to email us at info@learnworldclass.com and we'll be happy to help. See you this summer.
Hopefully those tips are helpful for you. And remember, always pack enough snacks for you and your friends along the way. Thanks everyone. Have a world-class day. We'll see you this summer.